old guys and gals, welcome back to the Old Guy Does AI. Yep, the old guy got himself crossways with the electric company a while back. Yep, cost me money I didn't have to lose, my friend. And I'll tell you the whole sorry story about it, as well as how old Claude helped me get set up so I don't make that mistake again. Yep, but that's just one of 3 ways that we're going to talk about that Claude can help us save money and help us around the house. First, how a fella can lose money without spending a dime by not paying attention to what he's signing up for. Second, how we can claim money that's rightfully ours. And third, how we can save down at the drugstore. We're going to lose less, claim more, and save more. Now, I ain't no expert, y'all know that. I'm just an old guy getting along same as you are. I figure we can sit down together, pour us a cup of coffee, and by golly, we can get her done together. Come on along. I gotta change my electric provider. Well, I've been on Watt for a long time, and my lights stay on all the time, old guy. I'll go with what Skeeter told me and use Watt. My first Watt bill. What? That can't be right. My gosh almighty, I can't pay something like that. That's a monster of a bill. I want to see if Claude can help me out with this here bill. I'll type up a prompt and send the bill with it. Here it is. Just got my first bill from Watt, pard, and it nearly gave me a heart attack. Here's the bill. What happened? I'll hand that over to him and let him take a look at it, see what he can figure out from that there. Oh, he says the contract. All right, I'll see if I can't grab that contract and hand it to him. Let's see what he can say. Oh, I didn't see that $125 Sure Saver bill credit. What in the world? All right there in the contract. I didn't use enough electricity that month. That's what it was. I had to get 1,000 kilowatt hours before I'd get that $125 bill credit. Yeah, pard, please do make me some kind of tool where I can keep track of my electric usage every month. And he did. Claude made me this little tool called the Bullseye Tracker, and now I keep track of my electricity usage. Howdy, old gals and guys. Y'all pull yourselves up a bucket and set a spell. The old guy's gonna tell on himself. Yep. Yeah, here a while back, well, I signed myself up for one of them 14-day trial, try it before you buy it deals on an online streaming package. I thought it might help out with these here videos I've been making. So, I reckon you know how that story goes. Between me trying to nurse them tomatoes through that hot dry spell we had, them 14 days come and went, my friend. And sure as I'm a-sitting here, one morning I got up and checked my account, and why, we was $89 shy where we had been the night before. So there I sit, $89 closer to zero, and I didn't even know if I could use the dadgum thing. I reckon the old me, well, I probably would have just chalked it up to an $89 lesson in being a fool. But I'd started kind of mixing things up with old Claude by then, learned a thing or two. Yep, and I was pondering on it. So I took that there problem right into the house, sat down and tippy-tap typed it on the keyboard, put it in front of Claude and said, hey, old bud, can you help an old guy out, maybe get some of that money back? And lo and behold, you won't believe what happened next. Y'all come on in the house and I'll show you exactly how it unfolded. We'll start out here at the Claude prompt. I'm going to drop that receipt that I got from HollerStream into the prompt area. There it is, $89 for their top hand plan. Then I'll type in a prompt to Claude asking him what we can do. Pard, I signed up for a 14-day trial at HollerStream and didn't remember to cancel it. Now they've gone and charged me $89 for the top hand plan. Here's a receipt for it. Yes, I'm $90 closer to zero, darn it. We'll see what old Claude can do with her. Looky there, he says, settle down, old guy. I'll be darned. Looks like there's a refund possibility. He'll be typing us up a letter to send to HollerStream, and we'll see what we can get for that. Would you looky there, old Claude come through for the old guy. There's the letter I'll be sending to HollerStream. And wouldn't you know it, friends, it worked. Old Claude done it. Next thing I knew, while there was $89 showed right back up in the old guy's bank account. $89 further away from zero, my friend. So, gals and guys, there's a couple of lessons from that there story about the 14-day trial deal. Before you go signing yourself up for a deal that's going to include putting your credit card number on the line, why, you might want to take that deal to old Claude and tippy-tap type it in and ask him what you're getting yourself into. Why, in this case, he showed me that everything, every bell and whistle of that fancy pants $90 package I was paying for, I already had it in other software sitting on my computer, just sitting there waiting on me to figure it out and use it. Second lesson I'd share with you from that 14-day trial story, why, if you're owed money fair and square, you got a refund coming and it ain't showing up, well, you don't have just to sit there and wish and worry over it. No, tippy-tap type the details into old Claude, why, he'll spit you out a professional-looking letter, brother, and it'll work too. At least it did for this old guy. Hey, old guys and gals, now we're going to be turning our attention to the medicine cabinet and seeing what old Claude can do to help us save $1 or $2 there. We'll begin here at the Claude prompt by dropping in a med list that you'll notice I marked out my personal information on. We'll give that to Claude, then type in a prompt. Here's my medication list from Pickens Drug. For each one, is there a cheaper generic version I could ask my doctor about? Give me a rough ballpark of what I might save. I know real prices depend on my plan and pharmacy. If any don't have a generic yet, tell me what other ways there are to save on it. Then write a short, plain note I could send my doctor through my chart to ask whether these switches would be right for me. Once we get that all typed up along with the med list, we'll send it on up to Claude and see what he comes back with. And here we go. Look at all those website references. This is something he can do that would take us hours and hours to research out. So now he's going to be drafting that note for us to send our doctor. Here he comes back with the information that he found. And we've summarized all of the response that Claude gave us into this. Entresto might have a new generic called sacubitril or valsartan. Might ask the doctor about that. Januvia is the same, the generic sitagliptin. And Lipitor has been a generic for a while as atorvastatin. Eliquis does not yet have a generic. So old Claude gathered us up a whole bunch of information about these medications and the possible generics we might use. Then he drafted us a note we can send to our doctor right through that MyChart. We can just copy and paste that information right out of Claude and drop it into a note for our doctor. Well, there's the episode, folks, all three of them. Yep, the electric contract I didn't read cost me money I didn't have to lose. No, lose less. And that $90 that was in somebody else's pocket belonged to me all along. Why, that I claimed more. And finally, that drugstore bill I've been paying for years without ever giving it a second thought. Spend less. So you see, we learned in this episode how to lose less, claim more, and spend less. And tell you the truth of it, folks, that contraption Claude, he don't know my house better than me. He don't know my garden. Don't know what I paid for this here bucket. But he don't get distracted, and I do. That makes him a useful tool around the house. I reckon there's more of these things old Claude can help us with around the house than I got episodes, so we'll be checking them out from time to time. And finally, folks, if you found this episode entertaining, interesting, or helpful at all, appreciate it if you'd share it with somebody, another old guy or old gal out there that might find it useful. And there's that button we talked about. Yeah, it's a button. Everybody loves buttons. Push it and give us a thumbs up, would you? Then you can subscribe, come back around, see us from time to time, and ring the ringy-dingy bell thing. You can get notified when the old guy gets his grits together and gets another episode up. Much appreciated. Yep, lights are going. Time to go in. Yeah, now, next time, I ain't gonna teach you how to save a dime. No, next time, we're gonna set a spell. Me and old Claude, we've been building something to ask you about your life, your people, where you come from, all them stories nobody ever wrote down. And then, he'll write them down for you. Bring you coffee. And whatever you do, don't squat with your spurs on. You hear me?